Hello guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to show how to fix the error 1002 in Fortnite. So first do like this. Go to this PC, then go to Docker Disk C, Program Files, Epic Games, Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, then select this bad lie, easy anti-cheat, and that for Fortnite thing. Okay, bad lie, anti-cheat, Fortnite, this. Select all this and delete permanently. Okay, then go to Epic Games, then verify it. I'll show you. Go to Epic Games, okay, it's loading. It take a lot of time. Okay, forgive me. Okay, there are several steps that fixes this problem. If this video doesn't work, see part 2. Part 2 will be uploaded soon. Okay, here comes our Epic Games. Go to library, then Fortnite. Don't click that. Click that 3 dots, then click verify. After verifying, it will probably come, or else there's another way which we can do. First itself, go to that three dots and then click this verify. This is enough. Most of the people's this trick works. Okay, if that doesn't work for you, then the last thing you can do will be go to run, take the run, and app data, and where is it? Oh, okay, sorry. Go to local. Go to Epic Games Launcher. Epic Game Launcher. Saved configuration data. Staged. Okay, data. You should all delete it. Okay? I'm not deleting because I have no problem in it. So that's it. The video. If you like the video, comment down. If you like the video.